Have you ever wondered about the concept of a covenant family? What does it mean, and how does it play out in the tangled web of life's relationships? Let's delve into this through the journey of Rachel and John. Rachel and John are no strangers to heartbreak. They've navigated the rough waters of divorce and the fallout of their own mistakes. They've lived through the pain of broken family ties and the guilt of their own roles in those fractures. Yet, in the midst of this turmoil, an unexpected love blossomed. It wasn't an ideal start, not by any stretch. Their love story was born from a place of pain and regret. Yet, they found solace and healing in each other's arms. John, a military veteran, found healing from the trauma of his service through celebrate recovery. Rachel, on the other hand, began her healing journey through regeneration, addressing the scars left by a troubled childhood and a failed marriage. Their love story was not just about them. They had 5 children between them, young hearts that had been through their parents' divorces. They were now tasked with the monumental challenge of merging their lives into one new family. But Rachel and John had a vision. They wanted to create a covenant family, a family unit designed by Christ himself. The Bible provides guidance on how family members should interact with each other, emphasizing love, respect, and selflessness. Christ is the head, guiding and setting an example. The husband loves his wife sacrificially, just as Christ loved the church. The wife shows respect for her husband, and together they make decisions that are mutually beneficial. Parents nurture and provide for their children's needs, teaching them biblical principles. Children, in turn, honor and obey their parents. All family members love one another deeply, bear each other's burdens, and forgive each other just as God forgave them in Christ. Rachel and John's journey is a testament to the power of faith and love. They faced their past, their errors, and their pain, and chose to build something beautiful from the ashes. They chose to create a covenant family, a family based on biblical principles, a family that chooses love, respect, and forgiveness. Their story teaches us that it's never too late to start anew, to heal, to love. It teaches us that in the face of adversity, we can choose to build a family that honors God. It shows us that a covenant family is less about perfection and more about choosing to love, to forgive, and to grow together. So remember, no matter where you are in your journey, it's never too late to begin anew, to heal and to build a covenant family, just like Rachel and John did.